Louis Armstrong once said, if I don't practice for 1 day, I know it, 2 days, the critics know it, and 3 days, the public know it. So practice and maintaining technique on our instrument is about consistency, but it can be hard to find the motivation every day to continue with our practice, which is where having a bare minimum routine can be really helpful. So there's something I like to call maintenance practice, and as I play double bass, there's a certain amount of practice I have to do every day just to maintain the physical strength required to play the instrument. If I skip too many days of practice, I feel it, and I feel like I have to then build up my strength again over the next couple of days of practice. So this bare minimum routine is something that you have to do simply to maintain your fitness and your dexterity and your agility on whatever your instrument is. My bare minimum routine for voice is a set of exercises that I found in a little booklet many years ago, and I've memorized them, and so every day I at least do my bare minimum routine. Every practice day I do my bare minimum, and then if I have extra energy I can keep going and practice something else. So your task is to work out what is your bare minimum routine, and there should be a set of exercises. It doesn't have to be too long, just something to maintain your fitness on your instrument, to maintain the strength and the agility and the flexibility on your instrument. And it's great to actually write these exercises down, put them all together, and even memorize them so that you don't have to think. You know you've got this little routine planned out for those days where you don't really feel very inspired to practice. And then you can make it your goal to do at least your bare minimum routine every day you've decided to practice. So if you've decided you want to practice 3 days a week, make sure that on those 3 days you do your bare minimum routine, and if you're feeling like you have more energy, you can continue on with more practice after you've completed your routine. Hi, I'm Erica. I am a musician and music teacher, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practice tips, motivation and inspiration. And also share this video with any friends who are also practicing music. And finally, if you like, you can stick around for a short meditation at the end of this video to prepare you for a great day's practice. So happy practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So we're going to take a few minutes to prepare for practice, to relax the body and the mind. You can take out your instrument, have any music, books, pencils ready. Then you can sit or stand with your instrument or without. And we're going to start with a soft focus in the eyes. Bring your awareness to the space you're in. Notice any sounds in the room, any smells. And then with the next exhale, closing the eyes. And we bring our awareness in to our bodies, feeling the weight of the body on the chair, or feeling the feet connected with the floor, maybe feeling the instrument in your hands, its texture under your fingers. And then bringing the awareness further in still to the breath and to the place where you feel it. Maybe the nose, the throat, the chest, the diaphragm. Feeling the rise of each inhale and the release of each exhale. And as you notice the breath, on each exhale, letting every muscle in your body release just a little bit more. Each exhale brings more relaxation to the body and more stillness to the mind. And if thoughts arise, just let them do what it is they want to do. Maybe they float by, maybe they stay. Just bringing your awareness back to the breath, back to each inhale and to the release of the exhale. Every breath, relaxing the muscles in the body just a tiny bit more. And then bringing the awareness back out to the body, to the weight of the body in the chair, the feeling of your feet connected to the floor, the feeling of your instrument under your fingers. Then bringing the attention further out into the space, noticing any sounds in the room, however small they might be. And then gently blinking the eyes open, ready to start practice for the day.